Hey guys, Dirt and Rust here. Just got back from the flea market. Got a few interesting items here. A couple of mystery tools, actually. Um, I'm not really familiar with this. I couldn't find a maker's mark. It just says warning: wear safety goggles. So I'm not sure what this one is. And this one, that was $1. This was $1. Uh, some sort of weird box-in wrench. If any of you guys have ever seen one of these or know what it is, let me know. This is an Armstrong. It's a 4B-7617. Armstrong logo there. So that's a mystery tool for sure. Got a pretty cool axe head here. This is a true temper, flint edge. Double-sided. It's about 3 pounds. Got this cool little Thorson socket box. Okay, got this hammer. This is a Union Tool Co. hammer. Union Tool Co. was more known for making like calipers and measuring tools and stuff. So it's interesting to get a hammer made by them. And then I got this wire stripper cutter here, Nobema, New York. Says made in Germany down here. Or just says Germany, I think. This company made drawing tools, architectural drawing tools. So it's kind of weird having found this tool. It's kind of odd. And I don't know, I always pick these up. The Geodor, this is a number 895. I have a few other ones. I guess I'm going to collect a bunch of different sizes and lot them up and sell them. But yep, that's it. That was a small load compared to my last one, that's for sure. But it was fun getting out there. And thanks for watching. Bye.